Hi, I'm Karthik Pillai. We are an AI software development company powered by an amazing team of AI and ML engineers. With over 6 years of experience, we are ready to turn your AI vision into reality. In the field of computer vision, we have built some amazing applications that utilizes image processing, deep learning, and neural networks. Some of the many applications that we have built include 3D AI, object detection, classification, and segmentation models for automated control systems for manufacturing and inventory, agriculture and cattle for fruits and plant analyzers, indoor analytics for restaurants and public places, outdoor analytics for traffic management, game analysis to predict outcomes, sports analytics in tennis, paddle, soccer, golf, and many more, drone and satellite analysis on geospatial data, construction and real estate projects like floor plan analysis, image processing projects like mechanical component analysis, human pose detection in 2D and 3D, healthcare and medical applications for hair, skincare, and also radiology, facial emotion detection, virtual try-ons for makeup, clothing, real estate, and many more. We would love to collaborate with you. If you are looking for an exceptional team that can deliver top-notch AI software solutions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's discuss your project and let's build something amazing together. Thank you.